mystery of the missing recipe. One sunny morning, Oliver discovered that one of his most treasured recipes had gone missing. It was the secret formula for the famous honeydew delight, a dish loved by all the forest animals. Oliver was puzzled and worried, as this recipe had been in his family for generations.
Sammy, who was visiting the restaurant, noticed Oliver's distress. "What's wrong, Oliver?" he asked. Oliver sighed. "My dear Sammy, one of my most precious recipes has vanished. Without it, I cannot make the honeydew delight." Sammy's eyes sparkled with determination. "Don't worry, Oliver. I'll help you find it. Let's gather our
friends and search the forest." Sammy quickly assembled a team of his friends: Bella the bunny, Max the mole, and Rosie the robin. They decided to search every corner of the forest, starting with the places where Oliver often gathered his ingredients.
The team split up, each one exploring a different area. Bella hopped through the flower meadows, Max dug through the underground tunnels, and Rosie flew high above, scanning the treetops. Meanwhile, Sammy carefully examined the paths leading to the Magical Nest restaurant. After hours of searching, Rosie spotted something shiny tucked inside a hollow tree. She fluttered down to investigate and found a small, old-fashioned recipe box. Excitedly, she carried it back to the restaurant. "Look what I found," Rosie chirped, presenting the box to Oliver.
Oliver opened the box and, to his immense relief, found the missing recipe inside. "You did it, Rosie. You found my honeydew delight recipe." The animals cheered, and Oliver immediately set to work, preparing a batch of the delightful dish to celebrate. That evening, the Magical Nest restaurant was filled with the sweet aroma of honeydew delight, and the forest animals gathered once again to enjoy the feast. As they ate, Oliver stood up and addressed his friends. "Thank you all for helping me. This forest is not just our home. It's a place where we support and care for one another. Let's always remember the magic we create when we work together." The animals clapped and cheered, their hearts full of joy. From that day on, the Magical Nest restaurant was not just a place of delicious food and enchanting stories, but also a symbol of friendship, teamwork, and the magic that happens when everyone comes together. And so the legend of the Magical Nest restaurant continued to grow, with new stories and adventures filling the hearts and minds of all who visited. It remained a cherished secret, a place where dreams came true, and where the magic of the forest was always alive. Story the end. Bacho Allah Hafiz.